Montgomery College is thrilled to have Hughes Network Systems located at the Pinckney Innovation Center for Science and Technology on our Germantown campus. Partnerships that unite businesses, education, and student talent maximize all of our impacts on the community.
We are really looking forward to growing the partnership with Hughes, advancing opportunities for students, as well as helping with training of the next workforce.
The partnership between Hughes and Montgomery College exemplifies the synergy between academia and industry, with a shared goal of nurturing talent and driving innovation.
The location of the manufacturing facility on the Germantown campus eliminates an access barrier for many of our students. Expanding access to opportunities like internships and apprenticeships better prepare our students for the jobs of tomorrow.
We were able to not only find ourselves in partnership, but a partnership with Hughes Network Systems to help them deliver a brand new state-of-the-art 140,000 square foot manufacturing facility for their needs.
We're really excited to have been a small participant in this important project that I think will really aid the Montgomery County community, and in particular the Montgomery College students, for decades to come.
This facility offers new opportunities for non-traditional students and traditional students. High-tech manufacturing is the wave of the future, and now students at Montgomery College have a chance to participate in their own future.
At Hughes, we make connections and look forward to the opportunity to connect with the next generation of industry leaders. We view this as a key opportunity for us and a key opportunity for young people that want to learn a new skill, a new trade, or a new technology.
On behalf of PIC MC, we would like to thank all of our partners.
On behalf of the development team, we'd like to offer our gratitude and thanks to PIC MC and Montgomery College for their partnership and collaboration to allow us to work with Hughes Network Systems.
On behalf of PIC MC and Montgomery College, it's my pleasure to thank Hughes
For their continued partnership.
Thank you so much.
And thank you to all of the partners who have continued to support the college over the years. Thank you.